Alright, I've got a DX8 which is bound to a Lemon 6-channel RX with PPM output. The PPM output is going into a Hawkeye 9-channel receiver which has been set up as a transmitter, and that is being received by another Hawkeye 9-channel unit which is set up as a receiver with a dipole on it, and I've got a couple of servos plugged into the channels, and you can hear them jittering away right now because I'm using the PPM output of the Lemon. The Lemon seems to be all jittery, and I've got 2 channels hooked up, and you'll see that as I move them sometimes I'll get a little jumping around. There you go, there's a twitch. And they do that pretty regularly, that twitching thing, so I would say you wouldn't really want to be flying with this as it is right now. There you go. Now I've taken the Lemon out of the equation. I've got the DX8 from the trainer port going directly into the Hawkeye, and it just bound right up. And you'll notice now that the servos are not making any noise, or not jittering at all, but I've still got nice smooth control. So this is the Lemon RX that they sent me a couple weeks ago with custom firmware on it, and so they were playing with the PPM output, changing the I guess the pulse width, and so this one doesn't jitter. You can see the servos are standing still, nice and quiet. But the weird thing about this one is that the ranges are excessive. I can't remember what I measured it at. I think they're going from either 900 to 2100 microseconds, but like if you watch the servos, you'll see that they're throwing much more than the 60 degrees they're supposed to. And so I guess you could probably use it and still account for it in a multirotor board, or change it with your endpoints, but I don't know, it's not right. I wouldn't bother, and I don't think this is in production. I think it's just something that they sent me to try out. So it wasn't working with Spektrum as a trainer, which is what I was trying to do with it originally. So anyway, that's the experimental PPM, not the regular one, but I think the folks at Lemon still got a little work to do.